Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to continue working on part 4 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the previous video, we were able to add furniture, and here we finalized some of the furniture for the living area, and then the dining area, and the breakfast nook. And then we added some details for our pantry, and then for our closet right here. And then obviously for the top right here as well. So we're gonna continue working on this by adding on the stairs. So we're going to just add a U type stairs. So nothing biggie, nothing different, or nothing difficult. So we just need to go back to architecture and then click on stairs. So right here, what we need to do is we just need to make sure that the base level is level 1, which is what we're on right now, and then up to level 2. So we're going to start by changing this to, let's make this one 14. And then if this one pops up, you just need to press OK. That's fine. So now, reason we're going to do 14 is we're going to add 7 going up and then 7 as well for the next half or the second half. So first half and then second half. This is a U-shaped stairs, so that's easy to do. So I'm going to add 7. As you can see, if I zoom in, it's saying that 7 riser created and then 7 remaining. So that's fine. So I'm gonna click here, and then after that, I'm gonna click on the side like this. So now it created the landing right here that you could basically change. What I usually do is I click finish first. Save your project if it asks you to save. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna select that and then just move it to the place that I want to. So I want it to be immediately going right here. So what I will need to do is I'm going to edit this, and then we could just make this one longer like this. So the landing, if you want to change the width right here, just select it and then you could change the width. But for now, I like the way it looks. 1000 is the default, and then here is good enough to have separation like that. So click on finish. Now I'm just going to push it back a little bit more. So it's still aligned. If you notice, it's showing the up area right here. At least I want the below to have some area here to put some storage if you want. So what we could do is we could flip this. It's easy to flip by just clicking on the arrow right here. Now it turned around, and then the up, you will need to go here just to go up right there. And then this is the up area right here, the second half. So now I'm good with this. So now what we could do is we could add in the floor. So we have floor for our level 1. So here we're going to architecture, click on floor, edit type, and then duplicate this. This will be floor number 1. Press OK. Edit again. We could change the thickness here to 200. And then for the material, something stone. So we could go down right here, down again, or click it down to show all the folders. And then we have stone here. We could use this filled stone, put it up, apply OK, and then OK again. Now, what we're going to do is we can select the pick line so that we could just select the interior part of the wall, like so. We're just going to go around here. The reason that I'm putting it in the exterior part or the interior part because I don't want it to be showing at the exterior part right here. You can in the real world it's supposed to be in the core area or the midpoint, but that's up to you to decide. This is just the design phase and not the construction phase. So basically in construction phase, if you want it to be ready, you just need to put it in the middle so that when you create a design or a section wall, you'll be able to show the connection between the floor and the wall. Um, so it's up to you. For me, what I usually do is I just put it in the interior part because I know if I want it to be converted in construction phase, I can easily do this changes. Okay, so now I have it on my interior face, and then now if I click finish, if there is overlapping, it will let me know. Once I have it, that means I'm successful to do it. It is in the first floor level. Let's check the 3D to see that we have floors. So right there, we have floor on the level 1. And then like I said, we need to add um, some stairs right here. And also, we will need to add a door going out right here. So that's something that I just noticed as well. So we need to add it, make sure it's on level 1, which is good. And then let's go to our ground area. And then let's add in it will be another floor. So let's go and select floor, edit type, duplicate, floor number 2. This will be concrete. So we could just type in CON. And then we have concretes that are already here. Let's use the precast at the moment. And then let's add the floor right about here. That's the floor for the garage or the carport, not the garage. And then we're going to add grass in the area. So we're going to click on floor again and then edit type, duplicate. This will be floor number 3. And then let's add in the grass. Pull it up like that, apply, and then OK, and then OK. So grass will be around the area. And then also it will be in between a stone steps. So we will basically just add the floor at the moment, and then we're going to edit that later on. It's not final yet. We just want to make sure to add everything first, and then we're going to um, edit later on. So it's easier to do for now, and then edit will be faster. So here I'm going to pick line to make it fast. We could trim this, TR, trim this, just delete one of this, and then TR again to make it fast. Uh, we're going to add in probably a wood slat right here, or wood floor for the backyard before the grass around. So we could actually push this one up like so. We could just do that edit later on. I'm just preparing everything so that it's easier for us, and I want to show you guys what we're doing. Okay, and then the 3D, let's change this to fine so that we could see where the doorknobs are. And then we need to do that as well before we send it to Twinmotion. So we're basically making it ready for us. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a wall that this will be our boundary wall. So I'm gonna call it like that. I'm gonna edit this, duplicate, boundary wall, edit, 200 thickness will be fine. And then here, what we could change is just make it as a different finish. So we could just add a different concrete. Maybe we could just use this one, pull it up. I don't think we use it yet. So I'm gonna click apply, okay, and then okay. So basically our setback is 2 millimeters or 2000, sorry, 2 meters or 2000 millimeters from the from the sides. The front is 3 meters, and then here we could just put this one as around 2 meters as well. So I'm going to quickly add wall like so, and make sure this is 90 degrees, so I'm going to delete this. CS to add it quickly, and then here I'm going to grab it from there and then make it 2000. This one, let's grab it. This is fine. 2000. This one should be 2000. Let's make this one 3000. So that's fine. And we could just edit quickly. And then for now, I'm going to add a wall like here. Select that wall. I want this one to be 3000. And then let's trim this so that we have our boundary wall all covered. And obviously we're going to add the gate right here. So now what we could do is we could edit the grass, edit boundary. As you can see, it's easy to just move this one along. Plus, we have the ability to do it faster if we could just type in AL. That's align. And then we could just select this and then select that. Select here and then select that. And then that's easy to show. And then now what we could do is select here and then right here. And then we could edit this one and then pull it back right there. And then for here, we're going to put grass as well. So I'm going to pick line and just to go around here. And then I'm going to use this so that I could just do this. Now I'm going to trim and extend TR, and then here trim and extend right here. We could click finish and that will be finished as well. Here edit and then AL, select this line and then there we go. So at least I showed you how easy it is and then how fast to edit any boundaries so that you'll be able to create fast. And then now what we could do is we could add in squares and rectangles on our grass. So here I'm going to edit the grass portion. This will be the grass portion. I'm going to add a rectangle. We're going to have a stairs right here. So I'm just going to add this for now. And then we could basically edit this one later on. So copy CO, make sure multiple is checked because we could just add multiples like this. As you can see, it's easy. If we click finish, this will be a void. It looks like a void area. And then we're going to add floors for that. So concrete flooring just for steps around this. So now I'm going to add some squares. So let's make this one 600 by 600. And then select this, copy, CO, and then let's add it from 800 so that the spacing is good. And then we could just manually nudge this one like so. And then we need to add it around this area. So we're going to copy this, CO, and then let's add it here for now because we don't have I'm gonna add it right here like that, and then right about here in the midpoint, and then let's add it around 880. So here we could just nudge it like that, and then now we could just grab it. I think 880 is too much, so we're just going to grab it, copy it from here, and then let's keep on adding it. Now that we added a lot, we could just copy it from here. And then as you can see, it's very quick to add. And then here we're going to just copy all of this and then copy it on the other side. And then now we have um, access on each side. We're just going to copy here. Somewhere right here, we could just add. And then once we click finish and then see it in 3D, like I said earlier, it will look like that. This one, the border or the boundary wall, we need to put it to ground floor, apply, up to level 2, minus top offset, probably 1500 for now. Or negative 1500 should be negative. And then we're going to showcase this area later on. So in the next video, we're going to add another floor, which is um, another type of concrete. And then we're going to elevate it a little bit, like the way we minus the top offset. Now it will be a positive offset so that it will have there, and then this will be the grass. So thank you for watching and hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.